Will, I catch you in the moment, man, doing something legendary. Always,
Yes,
bruh. What you got going on today, brother?
So we're picking up the powder coated parts from the powder house down here in Clanton, Alabama.
Okay.
So yeah, these are all the suspension components for the Blazer.
Wow.
Yeah.
I see y'all already loaded up the well, I'll let you tell them.
Yeah, we already loaded up the frame and the rear end housing. These are the rest of the suspension components. What's going on, people? So what I am standing in is our Roadster Shop chassis for the 74 Blazer, our SEMA build, of course. So we just got back from the powder coat shop, which we use the powder house powder coaters. They are in Clanton, Alabama. Clanton, Jemison, right in that little area. So yeah, so we got this is Hugger orange. I don't know what it looked like on camera, but in person it's Hugger orange, like the old school Chevy Hugger orange. The rest of the components that go on this chassis are all gloss white. So they're right there being one of the transmission, well, piece of the transmission cross member. Then like right here, you got the rear end housing that's gloss white. And then all of the suspension arms, the A-arms in the front, the 4-link control arms in the back are all gloss white. And of course the body is going to be gloss white and Hugger orange as well. So it's all going to be cohesive and matched in together. And this is an air ride chassis, of course. So y'all saw me already taking it apart. So y'all gonna see me putting it back together, nicely powdered. So yeah, I got to clean up a spot in the shop for where I want to put this together and what is going to look the best inside the shop. So this is going to get moved in the shop probably tomorrow. It might not be tonight, but yeah. So we get that in the shop. I got some parts coming from BTR so I can build a motor for this, and then we can set the motor on it and get all that set one time, and then that'll be that. It won't have to come back off. Yeah, and then we can start running the brake lines, fuel lines, wiring, and shoot, we can be off to the races with this one. So I know we got Miguel, he doing the body. We got paint booth coming. So we probably got another 2 weeks before we can actually mount the body to this. And then once we mount the body on the chassis, it should go together fairly quick. Really quick. I say probably, I don't know, 3 weeks after that, I should be done with it. As long as, well, I say done, it should be running and driving. It's probably not going to be 100% finished in that span of time. But as of today, we got 90 or 91 days until SEMA. So we're gonna try to keep dropping these videos, whether it be every day, every other day, every 3 days. Y'all gonna continue to see multiple updates of these SEMA builds, and we're gonna keep this footage and this content coming to y'all. So yeah, y'all stay tuned and follow along with this nice Hugger orange process. Peace.